slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers until midnight. Lows in the mid... National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Essex County in northern New York, western Addison County, and central Vermont until 9 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour.
Wow.
The storm was near Speculator, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Minerva, Newcomb, Schroon Lake, North Hudson, Paradox. This severe thunderstorm is also capable of producing deadly lightning and torrential rain. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling 802-863-4279 or submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the severe thunderstorm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If the tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for northern New York and Vermont.